Hey, I'm Mark with the Ovalrc, and I got a lot of gift ideas for everybody out there today. Whether it be for the holidays, birthday, or RC enthusiasts, doesn't really matter. The products I have are from Traxxas, so let's check out what I got. Now, this is stuff that the racer or enthusiast wouldn't really buy for themselves, but they would really love to have it, and that's why I want to show everybody today. If you're looking for that big gift, the new Traxxas /4x4 with the new BL-2s Brushless system in is a real nice choice. The Traxxas /4x4 with that new brushless system comes in this big box here, has a great graphic on it, and everybody loves opening up that big gift. Maybe you're not sure what to get that special person in your life. Maybe they like Ford trucks or Chevy trucks. Well, Traxxas has officially licensed products like this TRX-4 Chevy Blazer. Looks like the real thing. Now we're getting to some of my top picks. And I don't know who wouldn't want the new Traxxas TRX-4M High Trail. It's a little bit smaller than the bigger size TRX-4. It's an official licensed product. Looks just like that old square body style Chevy pickup. Fully working suspension. Looks just like the real thing. Comes with a transmitter, battery, and charger. Great for the younger person who has an indoor crawler track or just likes to mess around with an RC truck. Also great for that older person who'd like to set it on the shelf in their man cave. This is another top pick on my list. This is another item I'd love to get as a gift. This is a new Traxxas aluminum car and truck stand. Every racer does need this, except for they won't typically buy it for themselves because they're so busy buying tires and parts and trucks for their race car. The Traxxas car and truck stand comes in a great looking box, comes in two different sizes, and I'll show you what it looks like. This item looks like it's very high quality. The top spins, and it has a little locking mechanism on the side. If you are buying one of the aluminum stands, make sure you pick up the right one. Ask your local hobby shop. I'm sure they'll be able to help you out. They have a smaller stand for the mud bus cars, two-wheel drive / trucks, Bandit, stuff like that, and they also had the much larger one to fit the larger trucks. If the special person in your life races in the mud bus class, then you're going to need Traxxas part number 8796. That's the aluminum stand that'll fit the mud bus. That's the one you'll want to buy, and trust me, they'll love it. It doesn't matter whether you're buying one for the smaller Traxxas truck or whether you're buying one for the bigger Traxxas truck like this sledge right here. Traxxas aluminum stand makes a great gift, and I'd love to receive one as a gift. Traxxas also makes inexpensive stands for those who like to display their vehicles, like this $94.99 for the drag slash or the $97.94 for other smaller vehicles. Another really nice gift for your RC enthusiast, mud boss racer is the new Traxxas RC duffel bag. This is something I was really happy to get because it's something that I really needed. I always go to the track. I have a lot of stuff for my tools and my parts, but I never had anything for my truck. Now I got this really nice big duffel bag here. It's got the Traxxas logo on the side. It's got some side pockets to hold batteries and other items that you're going to need. Just some great extra storage for things that you need for your car. And a lot of room down inside, even some mesh screening on each side for your tires. And with the Traxxas slash down inside the bag, you can see there's plenty of room for the truck, plenty of room for a charger, and side pockets for your batteries. This makes such a great gift because it works for other things besides RC cars. It also serves as an equipment bag. I noticed the helmet will fit real nice down inside. There's plenty of room for a fireproof suit, fireproof underwear, and a Hans device. On this side here, you can fit your racing shoes. On this side here, racing gloves and any electronics you might have. This is a great gift and anybody would love it. So my final top pick gift idea is the RC backpack from Traxxas. Has heavy duty straps on the back, a huge pocket on the inside to fit even these big RC crawler trucks. Has a flap that you zip up. Has pockets all over the outside of the bag. A nice big pocket for carrying your charger, even one in the box. And side pockets to fit your light boat batteries. Another nice gift idea anybody would love to have. So there's a lot of great ideas that make great gifts. I'm Mark with the Ovalrc. We'll see you next time.